Hello everyone, this is Elisa. Welcome to my channel, Elisa's Creations. I hope you're well and having a good week. Today I would like to show you a project share. I have made two flip tag booklets using the gorgeous kit from the craft room from Shabby Art Boutique. I'm gonna leave all the details below in the description box on how you can subscribe to the craft room, how to get Kerian's gorgeous freebie from Shabby Art Boutique blog, and I will also leave a link for her Etsy shop. She has fantastic digital kits. They are absolutely amazing. If you are into shabby, it's a must-have. So I have made two of them. This is the first one. It's a total of 13 tags per booklet. In this one, I've made a collage with these different fussy cuts, added some pearls and some lace. As you can see, there's lots and lots of lace coming down. Let me show you. I hope you can see. There's lace, ribbon, and sari silk ribbon as well. It's so beautiful. I just love all this. Everything is backed up with other backing paper from the kit. So in this one, look at this. I've made a shaker card using recycled packaging from some stickers that I've purchased. You know, when you buy stickers, you have those little plastic bags. So I've decided to reutilize it. I put some backing with one of the backing paper and added some sequins, some hearts, some pearls inside. I closed it using washi, and I actually punched a hole in a tab that I put it, so I didn't want to punch the card directly. With some scraps from the kit, I made this lovely banner with some pearls and a lovely bird. This one I've created a washi card sample. I took one of the tags, laminated, and rolled around two different washi tapes. It's very useful if you are into planning, and also if you are into journal, you can use it in your junk journal. This was a journaling card from the kit. That was a heart from the kit. In this one, I've done a collage with different pieces, some layering with the roses. And this is, I adore this one. It's one of those small journaling cards. This one is one of the tags I've created. Some of these tags are part of the kit. Some others I've created using the gorgeous backing paper. So for this one, I took one of the big scallops tags, which are this one. I've placed it on a gorgeous backing paper, traced it using a pencil, and fussy cut it around. I had to do it twice because I wanted to have one for the back as well. Instead of printing directly on the tags, I thought of giving more consistency. I like when my tags are sturdy. So I glued two of them together. And once I glued two of them down, I also went around 1/3 time to actually have this lovely shape more precise. If you don't want to do that, you can just use the tags in the kit, which are a lot, and you can print at the back using one of the gorgeous backing papers in the kit. And this one is another journaling card. This one is this lovely journaling card from the kit. I've only added the pearl because I like the image the way it is. This one is a double-sided journaling card, and this is one of the tags that I have created. Love this bird. That's the back. I love it as well. So this one was the first tag booklet. I've got a second one that I've made using the same kit, which is this one. It's the same. It has 13 tags in total and loads of lace and ribbon and sari silk ribbon as well. So this one is one of the gorgeous scalloped tags. I added a bow to give some dimension, a pearl And I went around with all these lovely pearls as well. Everything is double-sided in this one as well. Look at this. In this one, I created some layering with lace, one of these fussy cuts, and a bow with pearls as well. In this one, I only added the pearl and this word diary from the fussy cuts. These lovely hearts that is double-sided as well. This is really pretty. This is the same journaling card as in the other one. In this one, I created a button card. I've created some buttons using some scraps that I had. I glued them together and sewed them in. This one is one of the tags that I've created. I absolutely love this rose. This is a journaling card. I created a tag, and there's a fussy cut for the bird. And this is one of the mini 5-folder. So pretty. This is a mini journaling card, double-sided with another one. And this is another rose tag that I absolutely love. I've also added some sari silk ribbon and a bottom as well. This is another collage that I've made. And this is the back. I absolutely love making tag flip booklets. They are so much fun, and you can use them in your projects. You can use them in junk journal. You can just display like this on your desk to have a look at it when you need some inspiration and you feel like you wanna look at something pretty that you enjoy. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more content about paper crafting, junk journaling, and planning. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, have a good day.